This presentation is on using objective risk analysis to determine the risks associated with subjects being late to work. This presentation will use probabilities to determine which risks should be focused on to prevent the subjects from being late to work. For the risk assessment of being late to work, we will use an objective risk analysis as opposed to a comprehensive risk analysis. A comprehensive risk analysis uses the subjective opinions of experts. However, objective risk analysis is more accurate than other methods because it uses a quantitative approach instead of a qualitative approach that is subjective with opinions that may often be biased. Furthermore, objective risk analysis is much faster than a comprehensive approach because it does not require interviewing experts and then interpreting their opinions. This can be very time-consuming. Objective risk analysis does not require expert interviews and instead only needs the probability of occurrences and sometimes the causes of occurrences. Therefore, objective risk analysis has the advantages of objectivity, accurate results, as well as rapidity. Here is a chart of the incidences in which the subjects were late to work. The left column has the date of the incident, and the right column indicates the cause of the occurrence. This chart shows how we have now categorized the incidents into three categories for the causes of being late to work. These are technological reasons, transportation reasons, as well as personal reasons. The final row of the table, which is in red, shows the counts of the categories. The count row shows the subject was late to work due to technological reasons twice, transportation reasons 5 times, and personal reasons 3 times. The daily probabilities for each of these categories of occurrences were then calculated. This was done by finding the average time between each occurrence within the category and then dividing 1 by this number. The results are the 3 daily probabilities that are found in the final row of the chart, highlighted in red. So, the daily probability of a subject being late to work due to technological reasons is 0.018, which is about 1 or 2 out of 100. Then, the daily probability of a subject being late to work because of transportation reasons is 0.069, or about 7 out of 100. Finally, the subject being late to work due to personal reasons is 0.043, or about 4 out of 100. In conclusion, we have found that the higher the daily probability of occurrence for a type of risk, the higher the priority for intervention, as we want to try and reduce the subject being late to work for those reasons. For our subject, their transportation reasons had the highest daily probability, and therefore it's the highest priority. The second priority would be for personal issues, and then the last priority would be technological problems. Our analysis indicates that the subject should first of all take action to minimize the effects of their transportation issues. This could be improved, for example, by developing better means of getting to work. However, that is not a necessary part of our analysis, as we are just determining the priorities that can be corrected. And using the objective method of risk analysis, this has enabled us to consider the risks without the subjective bias that could occur within a comprehensive analysis that uses expert opinions. This quantifiable probabilistic analysis allows us to prioritize the risk based on probabilities. Therefore, by having these priorities and focusing on them, we can save time and focus efforts on the areas that have the highest probability of risk for the subject involved.